fire, 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 fire. $100 is a lot to pay, but then I haven't had a decent night's sleep since their last release. Oh. Yeah, no, they were unironically going to do $100. I think Aswin talked about it somewhere here. Let me see. Where is it? It's somewhere here. Is it Aswin clips? Clips. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to look at this. Herb. Herb. Yeah, $100 It's this one.
Blizzard is a
I'll mute it, but like Blizzard is apparently asking players in a survey if they're fine with $100. Herb.
previously prohibited.
Absolutely not. I already paid $80 for that trash. I paid $90, man. $90 dues. $90 dues, man. Even I, a crippling Destiny 2 addict, wouldn't pay $100 for a single expansion for any game. Yeah, I wouldn't. They literally can suck a fucking dick. Actually. Sugar, baby. $90, you must be a ding-dong? Absolutely. If the expansion is more than the base game, they can suck a cock. The fact that they think that they can get away with this, like, this isn't like, oh, they're going to do it. They're saying, hey, how would you feel? How would you feel about it? They will get away with it? You really think so? You really think so? Casual players are fine with it? That fucking is mind-blowing to me. Baby, come my lady, come my lady. Boiling the frog? Yeah, kinda. What is this? The cost? Wait, let me... Hold on, let me pull up the actual tweet. Icy Veins. Icy Veins Blizzard Diablo 4. What does it say here? Let me read this. Oh my god, man. Hold on. A lot more games are absolutely moving to subscription payment. Why? Hold on. It's 100 expansion for a game that is dog shit. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Let me fucking something. Cost of an expansion 60. What the fuck? $69.99 for an expansion? Bro, it's DLC, man. Wings. Wait. Platinum per season for 1 year. $80 value. Guys, are you reading this? Look, value. This is value. 2,000 platinum, $80 value. What the fuck? Platinum instant. A set amount of the currency. $30 value, $10 value, $20, $50. Unique mount that evolves with achievements. How about you fucking put that in the game, bro? Oh my god, man. I'd pay maybe $30 for a fucking expansion, but not fucking 50, dude. You'd be hard pressed to fucking pry those fucking dollars out of my fucking hands. Stash tabs! Bro, they're thinking about putting stash tabs! Stash tabs into the fucking DLC! God, you will fucking catch me dead! Catch me outside, how about that? Bro, Town Portal skin, early access! Early access! Thank you, Blizzard! I'm about to suck on that juicer. I'm supporting Frost Giant Studios, no RTS game made by Blizzard devs. Yeah, but it's not gonna be in an MMO, sadly. В PoE тоже столы продают, правда, сама игра бесплатная. Yes, PoE does sell stash pads, but the game is free! The game is free! They sell microtransactions because the game is free! That's why it's fucking sad! Battle Pass! Valued $100! One premium Battle Pass valued at fucking 40. What the fuck is this, man? I'm losing my fucking mind! What the fuck is legendary aspect? Wait. Early access to a functional item in-game, such as a unique piece of gear, before it's released into the expansion. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's literally Destiny. Destiny did the same thing, man. Destiny had this thing where they sold a gun that was really, really good in PvP, but not in PvE. Legendary unique, bro. Bro. Monka. Oh.
Monka.
Bro, this I can't, man. Unique, you $70 for a unique. Here's the table with all the potential according to... Dude, they're gonna do this. They're gonna do the $100 one. I bet you. I can't, bro. Ты платишь за игры, но не для того, чтобы в них играть, а для того, чтобы платить дальше. Yes. The main factor about this is that they want you to keep paying money to them so that they can keep making money off of you. They don't give a fuck about you, man. Like, what the fuck, man? Pay to win. I can't believe this early access to a functional item. I got to the this was like already a meme, like the whole value thing. Like value quotation marks, by the way. This isn't real. Like no one says, "Oh, this is valued at $80." This is the moment people need to wake up and quit buying this garbage. It doesn't happen. Devs are gonna get more pushback. It's not the devs. That's the funny part. This thing is only getting worse. The past 3 years have proven that. Yeah, exactly. I understand. You wanna know what happened when D2 did it with the exotic weapon locked behind a paywall? All the hardcore players bought it because they had to order it in order to keep up with the meta. Yeah, we watched the video on Destiny 2 a few months ago, and they talked about an item that was an early access that was not that great for PvE, but it was amazing for PvP, and if you didn't buy it, you basically got fucking stomped. Artificial value, yeah. It's just, oh, it's so disgusting, man. This must be resisted. We want to sell you items and stash space. Hard century for AAA gamers. Yeah, it's... Failure shared a breakdown of the various game editions and the perks that come with each. Among those are highly anticipated features such as extended stash space and NPCs who grant access to your stash and collect gold for players. What? Wait, what? Non-player companion that accompanies you. Oh my god, I didn't even read this part. I didn't read it. Yo, thank you, Jen and Ass Jet. Thank you so much. I'm doing great. I am freaking out over Diablo 4. Oh my god, I'm freaking out over Diablo 4. Torchlight has that for free. Yes! That's why it's funny! Is this a AAA issue or more of an MMO issue? No, it's a AAA issue. Absolutely. Absolutely AAA. This does not happen in other MMOs, for example, like PoE, where you have a free game that has been free since day one, and it has microtransactions in it that only I've heard this time and time again, where Path of Exile has you know, what is it called? They have people who buy microtransactions, and they only spend maybe like between $40 and $80. That's it. Like, they don't spend more than that. And if they spend more than that, they always justify it and say, I love this game so much that I can justify buying the money to support this. Yeah, it's mostly cosmetics. Like, mostly. There's like stash tabs and shit, but like that's not like necessary. Like, you can get away with it, but yeah. It's only gonna get worse if people don't resist. I mean, we could watch a video. I'm kind of hungry. I could heat up some food and like we could watch a video. Or you can watch fails. I don't know, man. This shit makes me sick. Wings. I mean, like, I don't give a fuck. Like, even with the cosmetics, like, it's really fucking annoying that they're like, oh, we're gonna add a new mount, you know, completing new cosmetics, so completing through in-game achievements. Why can't you put that in the game? Why can't you put this in the game? A new mount for completing in-game achievements that evolves? Like, that's fucking sick, man. I don't know, man. If they put this in the DLC, what is it called? Like, if they don't put this in the game, something similar, but then they put it in the shop, that's cringe, I think. My opinion, but that's me. Why put it in the game if you will pay for it? Yeah, I mean, that's the sad part. That's exactly the crux of the issue, is that, like, they put the unicorn in Wrath of the Lich King, and that outsold and made more money than StarCraft 2. A fucking pony. A fucking pony that flies in World of Warcraft made more money than StarCraft 2. Why bother? Why bother making StarCraft 3? Why bother making any game that, like, doesn't make as much money? Because fuck you, money. That's why. Just cracked my fingers because I'm so pissed off. Can we just give up on Blizzard at this point? I mean, a lot of people have, and, like, I mean, but they're still the standard for, like, the game industry nowadays. Like, they are still a pinnacle. How the fuck did more people buy a flying mount than StarCraft? What the fuck? No, not more people bought it. I'm saying more people, there was enough people that bought the unicorn that made more money than StarCraft 2. I should have probably phrased it better because I'm kind of cooked. That's a terrible standard? Yeah, that's why we're here. That's why we're here, man. I don't know what to tell you. And you can make more money selling instead of pixels. Yeah, and what was it? There was a fucking Wrath of the Lich King, Invincible, was it Diablo 4 Invincible mount. How much did that cost? Legendary World of Warcraft mount now available in Diablo 4. Oh my god. Shoot me. There we go, Reddit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Clip of the animation when you dash. They added the WoW Invincible drop.
Yo, can someone...
Look at this thing. It's so cool. It costs $80. Like, that's so cool. I love it, man. I would fucking play the game for that. That's fucking sick. It's an amazing fucking cool mount, but they added it to the game for fucking $80. Worth? No, not worth $80. I think it's cool. I think it's a really cool mount. But again, it is not fucking worth $80 fucking dollars. If you're minimum wage, that's like fucking like an entire day's worth of work. Well, like, more or less. I'm like, give or take, but like, holy shit. Why people grind for free when you can charge dumbasses $80? Yeah, why put Invincible in Wrath of the Lich King when you can just make them pay $80? Why share a drop rate amongst players in Wrath of the Lich King when you kill the Lich King on Heroic when you could just swipe $80 and get it? StarCraft 2 was also asked with the amount of people, but I'm dumb enough to buy them out doesn't surprise me. Is how they put dog shit out back to back and stay in business. But that's the thing, it's not a bad mount. It's a cool mount, but it was tied behind a paywall. StarCraft 2 was amazing. People have very strong opinions and they always say, oh my god, StarCraft 2 is so bad. That's the one my brother liked, but I mean, I never played it personally. I watched him play it. How soon till long goes free to play for base game? I don't think they will. I genuinely don't think so. They probably make a decent amount of money. I hate tables. I hate them for real. Damn. That's strong. People complain so much about how bad games are, then go right ahead and pre-order and release and are surprised the game sucks. I have to tell you guys something. I don't think the people who pre-order this shit are the ones complaining. I know. It's crazy. I don't, like, for you guys, I think there probably is a portion of you guys, like a small percentage that do complain about the game and then you pre-order, but 90% of people don't. It's the dumb ones who don't complain, they don't care, they want to exist and like play the video game that they want to play, and they pre-order and they don't listen to anyone else. They don't care, they just consume. And that's for a lot of shit, like media, movies, all that stuff. They always stand for no fucking reason, make stupid games, and are always on my balls. I mean the tables. You're cooking something up. That's strong. I like that. I like the attitude. The same people who complain about the games but still play them sounds absurdly mad. What if you don't? What if? Okay, counter argument. What if you can't play anything else? What if your computer can't play anything but League of Legends? What do? You still get some enjoyment, but you still complain about it. What the fuck do you do? That's the same reason why there's some streamers who are stuck playing what is it called? Like playing World of Warcraft, but they will complain about it like Asmongold until they can finally quit and become like a variety streamer. You can't just quit your job. Okay, let's put it this way. You work a job because you can't get a better job because the job you have is the only job you can have, and if you quit, you get fucked. You die. Aw, bye, Darkblade. Thank you so much. Have a good one, man. It's hard to be a variety streamer. I agree. Yes, I absolutely agree. That's what I'm saying is that when Asmon transitioned, it was because he became big enough that he could do anything he wanted at that point. God damn it, Louch, man. You're so fucking, like, annoying. I couldn't play Dota on my laptop at the time, but could play League with lower specs, which meant I didn't go back to Dota. I mean, it's just a given with how life works. I work a shitty job. I can't quit my shitty job because if I quit my shitty job, I will die because I won't be able to find another job, you know? You grow on one game and you lose your viewers because you lose their interest? No, I disagree. If you, for example, if you're a World of Warcraft streamer, if you turn on Diablo 4 and then try to make a Diablo 4 audience, you will lose everyone. A lot I work in a hospital and hate people more and more. I completely respect that. Trying to save money is a crapshoot. Yeah, with like inflation and whatnot. But like my point, like you have to take my point as a like a basic fundamental. The people that complained, like there's nothing better. It's like the EverQuest thing. EverQuest used to be a really popular game until World of Warcraft came out, and it was quote unquote a better game for casuals, so that's how it became popular. A lot of it is emotionally invested in it. I played WoW since release. It's not something I wanted to just drop. That's how I made it to Legion after WoD. That's a point too, but there's also a lot of people who quit, but they just want WoW to be good again, but it's just not possible, and the philosophy of the studio has changed so much, and so many people have left that used to make the game that you love. It's not possible for it to be exactly the same as how it used to be. If you can complain about the games you play unless you're a big streamer and stop playing them, what is a big streamer? What is a big streamer? A big streamer is someone who can quit a game, go play something else, and not lose their entire audience. That's a very ignorant way of saying it, because even someone with 1,000 viewers, if they quit playing, quote unquote, like, I don't know, Hearthstone, World of Warcraft, I don't know, fucking Dota, it doesn't matter, because if you fucking quit, you'll lose half your viewership, even more than that, instantly, because you're not playing the game that people want. The only game I've ever quit was RS6 after 2,500 hours. What's RS6? Rainbow Six Siege? Rainbow Six Siege, right? Yeah, and that's perfectly fine. And you probably went to play another shooter, right? Like, tell me if I'm wrong. I'm not talking about streaming, more so on the complaining part. But you brought up big streamers. Like, what? I guess what I'm saying is if you keep complaining about the games you play unless you're a big streamer, then stop playing them. What if you're a small streamer and you have just enough of a big enough player base, you know? Like, so let's say I have 600 viewers, but I only play Diablo 4, and then I quit because I can't stand playing Diablo 4 anymore. I lose all my income. It sucks. What was that? I don't know. I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. I think I'm gonna just not deal with you. Anyway, those guys that play HOTS? Yeah, exactly. I sometimes ask Mongol as an example and complain about games he play because he has the audience who can show the flaws of the games to sway opinions of many people to maybe influence the devs. Again, Asmon's been around for a long time. He's been complaining about World of Warcraft for fucking 8 years. More than that, actually. Probably like 10 years. He hasn't changed a damn thing. Don't people sometimes cover the streamer, not the game? Very rarely. It's immensely difficult to build up a player base. Not player base, excuse me. A stream base of people that come for you alone and not for the game you play, especially with males. With females, it's a little bit different because, you know, female, you know, quote unquote, take this with a grain of salt. I am also enunciating with my fingers in real life. Female privilege. Yeah, they have the pussy. Like, I am saying this as a girl. Like, I am air quoting right now. Male privilege? No, I said female privilege, you fucking ding-dong. Open your ears. Yes, women tend to have more leniency in streaming because they are girls. There's less of them. You don't have to, you know, they stay for your personalities. Getting political? Shut the fuck up, man. It's not politics. It's just how it is.
Nice.
What the fuck's the topic now? Dude, Hans, do you have like the attention span of a fucking fly? I don't understand. I literally led in from the part where you have to grow a streamer base that comes to you no matter what game you're playing, and I said that females have it slightly easier than males because they have quote-unquote personalities. Multiple personalities? Yes, two of them. Two really big personalities.
Nice.
Two great personalities just gets out. Yep, sure is. Yep. It's partly because there's a parasocial aspect in it, the copium, and I can date them. Yeah, absolutely. I think there's probably a very good portion of people that do have that opinion. I may find someone because of what they're playing and doing, but if I enjoy them watching them no matter what they're playing or doing. Yeah, and that you are a minority. Poor girl. No, guys, I don't have schizophrenia. Sorry, I had to bring it to you. Came here for the personality, darn right. VTubing shows that it's not even about the boobies. True, but it helps. It helps. I came here because I'm a good VTuber. I thought you were schizophrenia queen. Sorry, guys. I don't know what the joke is here, but like I don't know. I don't have schizophrenia. Sorry. I came here for the smoke checks. True. You sure? Don't fucking be funny, man. It's not funny. I came here because Savage sent me here. I got stuck. No, Tammy, that's not true. I was fucking huggiesing you in chat since like day one. You're talking to yourself in a room? So? What is that supposed to mean? It's easier to have a female voice in the background over a dude's voice when doing other things for a long time. I mean, that's your opinion. Again, and not to say like, oh, it's your opinion, but for me, I don't care what your gender is if I'm listening to you in the background. I didn't know you were a streamer. I thought you were just chill. Yeah, I don't know. I just really liked your fucking Pharaoh profile picture, and I was like, yeah. Guys, we're so cooked. Is there any truth to VTubers are able to stream nude because of the rules for changes for art? No, it's not true. It's absolutely not true. You'll get banned. You can't just like fucking have a naked like Twitch avatar and shake your titties around. Yeah, I mean it depends on the person. I'm not trying to say, oh, like you're wrong, but it's like I think it's a more of a personality opinion. What do you think on the new Twitch changes? I don't really care about them because they don't affect me personally. Unless they're drawing their model in real time. Exactly. Yeah, they don't affect me. So I mean I can have an opinion on it as like a girl, but again, I don't have lewd tubing. I don't want to show off my booba. Like in that way. They even have like a rule that says don't show your nipples as a female, so I assume that's the same for avatars. How someone can define artistic nudity, to be honest? You very easily can. If you're drawing artistic nudity, like nudes, like a naked woman for artistic purposes, I think that's artistic nudity. I think you can also have a woman drawing on herself as long as she's not like, I don't know, being sexual about it. Yeah, body painting. Yeah. Versus spreading cheeks. Again, I think there has to be an element of non-sexuality to it. Classical painting on stream. I think you can. You can. Because it is, again, artistic. It's not inherently sexual. It's like going to a museum and having to have like an 18+ banner. I remember being a child and going to a museum in France, and there were nude pictures, but I just didn't think anything of it because it's like, oh, it's art, you know? Yeah, there's like nothing wrong with it. And I was a kid, like, I don't know, I was like 12 or like 13. And there's no sign saying you have to be 18 or over. It's like, it's art. It's from fucking 1600 fucking AD. Like, who cares? You're not old enough to see those sculptures? Yeah, exactly. Like, I saw fucking ding-dongs. Like, that sounds so wrong. I did see ding-dong statues, yeah. Body painting was an old meta on Twitch. I wasn't even, like, aware of it, to be honest. A Glitchfoss painted a VTuber model, which later got suspended on Twitch because it's not art anymore, as it was used as a VTuber avatar. Yeah, I know. I'm very well aware of that. It's really stupid that that's what she got banned for. Like, it's art, so. You mean Michelangelo's statues? Not necessarily. There are other nude statues. Other artists also did nudes. Send nudes. Hygiene Museum in Destron, no nude but wounds. Ah. Yeah, no, I went to like a proper museum and my parents took me. No penis! Could you show these statues and paintings here right now? Do I want to risk it? I don't know. Please send dudes. I posed for a few nude paintings. Thank you for sharing, Icy Spicy. I appreciate it very much. Don't. I'm pretty sure we saw a YouTube video that, like, you know, had that. Send Hans dudes right now. Big peepee vulgar? Yeah, apparently that was a thing. Imagine some VTubers artists drawing artistic nudity on stream but still get banned. That's what they're trying to alleviate, I think. Mommy! Piss. Shit! Piss. Fuck. Fucking shit on calm. Piss myself. Fuck. Piss. Fuck. Piss.